connect the video. Let's take a look at the effect first. Shoot login. You can see it like this. Our screen has displayed the hello world. But the last video had two problems. The first one is remote SH. I show hello world here, but actually the display I connected with HDDMLY, it doesn't show, it still shows the login interface. So these two endpoints are independent of each other. If I want that interface, I have to change the code. I'll quit the second one first. Second, I wanted to automatically display the screen when it is powered on. Instead of letting me manually SH to go remotely first, then go to the trigger screen to display. This way, every time I lose power or something, I'm going to restart it. So I turn it on and display it on our screen. Instead of showing up at this remote endpoint, so we need to do some operation. First, let's solve the problem of automatic restart. If you restart, this Linux system, it has self-starting service, but I don't want to use it. I use another PM2, so we had to install something else. You can also choose the self-startup that comes with it. Don't use my set. And then if it's going to use PM2, we need to install Node. Here's just a look at the version. How to install. Let's take a look at the process. So let's go to this directory. Then we download our already compiled Node. Because we are ARM64 architecture, then select the system of 20.0, download and unzip directly, because I have already set it up. So there will be no downloading here. After downloading, we also need to set up soft links on it. Is that our node can only be accessed using this command line. Recognize that this is to set up a soft link. Set the soft chain point to the directory we just had. This is the setting node. After node is set up, because we downloaded node, it also comes with an NPM. So we also need to set up a software for NPM. Same, another code to set up this NPM software. Then I won't execute it here. But after we set it up, we can use the command of NPM. Take a look at its version. Both NPM and load are already installed. We can use it. Then we cut back to our catalog. At this time, we can use global installation of our PM2. Install it. After successful installation, we can use this PM2 daemon. I won't demonstrate it here. Then after the installation is successful, we can look at the PM2 version of PM2. This is 6.0.13. Then we can look at the list of PM2. Here I have started. Then we stop it first. Good PM2 can start GS file. Files that can also start our shell. Here we have pre-programmed one. This shell script, let's take a look at the content. Notice that this is the shell script. Its first is the scripting language that specifies it to use bash. The second one we just said, if I say hello to a Siri, it's only on the current page, display our Hello World GUI interface, but we can specify for it to display displayed at the endpoint of our screen. The endpoint of this screen, in general, so here's the bar, DEV bar, TTY1. We can write it here. If there are other differences, you can modify it yourself. The default is this. Then we specify this screen. It has nothing to do with our remote place. Do a clear screen here, because there will be some login related things. The same every time we come in. We need to switch our Python virtual environment first. Because of this one of our projects, it is installed in our virtual environment. Then switch the virtual environment first. Use our hello script. It is placed in this directory. So we're going to switch to this directory first. You can also point here with absolute IP, then cut to this directory. And then we run the script with the shot. Then it will be displayed on the screen. And then we use PM2 Let's take a look at our script name first. This is what we want to perform booting and self-starting. We can write it like this, or start, then execute. This requires a script. You can give it a name alone to distinguish it. For example, this name is what we use now. Call this the start. Then enter. It will start running after entering the car. Then Hello World will also be displayed on the screen. After running, you can see its current status in the list. Usually this is online. So let's say we reboot. It starts here. And my current screen also shows Hello World. I will make a separate video for you to demonstrate